Hey guys, come on me, let's make breakfast for a family of 3. So it's my first time trying this, so I hope I do it well. Hey, so I have my Ayala beans flour. I'm going to be using this Ayala beans flour. I'm going to be using pepper, seasoning, and oil to fry. So here I am not using any exact measurement. There's no measurement to this. You can just do you if you want to try using the flour. I'm just doing for a family of 3. So I already know what we can consume, right, for breakfast. So I'm just going to pour the desired quantity or amount I wish to fry, and then mix this thoroughly. You really have to mix thoroughly. That's one thing with beans. You really have to mix thoroughly. I didn't want to go through all the process of blending or start washing beans and all of that, so I opted for this. I had to improvise to beans flour. So here I'd mixed with warm water. Please, warm water, not cold, not hot, warm water, right? So, and then after you must have done that, you give it a good stir, like a proper mix. Normally I'm supposed to use hand mixer or something, but because we really do not trust NEPA, I don't want to give myself that hope and then I mess it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and just leave this to sit for about 25 to 30 minutes thereabout, after which I'll just come back, check, and I still feel I needed to. Okay, I added seasoning here. I added every other ingredient, and I still added my warm water. Take a good mix again. Mix properly. If you do not have a hand mixer, just use your spatula and mix properly, like I'm doing here. I'd mixed this thing properly. Yeah, I was just avoiding a longer video, but I'd mixed it properly. So we're going to fry on low heat. Another thing is I don't like too much oil. Whether I'm eating akara, pop-off, if it's oily, I get tired. I'm watching my face too. So you can see I'm still mixing. And I'm just going to fry. I'll go ahead and fry. Guys, remember, it's my first time doing this akara flour. My first time using the flour, so don't judge me, right? No one should judge me. Just take me as you say it. Fake it as you say it, like a first timer. So my oil is really heated here. I'm just going to be transferring with a spoon. Yeah, I'm going to be transferring one after the other in a spoon. So hopefully we get what we want. So let's see. So you're going to fry this. I'm going to fry this for a while, and please, it's better you allow to fry properly so your akara can come out fine and it doesn't look soggy or it looks black or dark or something. I don't know, but I gave it my best shot and it was worth it. It was worth it because for someone who has been craving akara, and I didn't want to go through all of the process of picking beans, peeling beans, washing, this is just cool for me. So at this point I'm wondering, why is it not fluffy? Why is it not, it doesn't look fluffy. Not all though. From the video you can see that it's not all that is fluffy. Some are flat. But guys, trust me, I did what I had to do. I did what I had to do. So I'm just going to be flipping over till I get a consistency that I want. And see, it's already giving that brownish look like a professional akara seller. So I just keep flipping over until I get a consistency that I want. And trust me guys, I kid you not, it came out really nice. See, it was nice. They are not all flats. I know they are flats, they are not fluffy, but it came out really well. See, oh, cute. It's cute. So I'm going to allow them just still sit in the oil. Yep. I think I shouldn't have used the fake in my hand. I should have used something better, like a a frying spoon, because I think it was C. It was giving, guys. It was giving. It was sweet. Obi really commented. I said it was sweet, but it was flat. But not all of it was flat. Not all, I promise you. Not all, but maybe I'll do better next time. So I went ahead to make custard for us so we can have breakfast. And I was just going to do that. So I made custard and I'd served for two. Myself and my baby would eat one and Obi would have the other. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.